Hello, welcome to another video in my lock diary series. If you are a returner, welcome back. So glad you decided to come back and join me for another video. If you are new, hi, how are you? My name is Marissa, and over here on my channel we talk about a little bit of any and everything, and today we are all about the locks today. Now, if you haven't checked out my other video, I will be sure to link it down in the description box. But you see, I have rope twists in my hair, and honestly, y'all, I think I talked about this in my other video, and I feel like I probably talk about this in every rope video that I have. I don't have a lot, but I am not a fan of rope twists, more so on my own self. I do not like how they look on me. I prefer them on my first set because they were like a little fuller. This time my locks are a little smaller, which I'm fine with, don't have an issue with that, but for whatever reason ropes just don't look right on me. As mentioned in my previous video, I think this time go around it's because of how I parted the top half of my head, and I just don't care for how they lay. So maybe when they get longer I will be okay with that, because I will be able to like pull them up into either like a pineapple or like a messy bun or like two space bun situations. I only kept these in for maybe like a week and a half probably, which is the longest I've ever kept them in, y'all. 7 days is my max because again I don't care, but I typically wear like a headband to make it work and to make it last. One of the reasons why I did decide to rope twist my hair is because I am currently training for a half marathon and I just needed my ropes to last. I'm sorry, not my ropes, but my retwist. Typically your retwist will last a little longer with the style, only because your roots are like locked into place, if that makes sense. And so with that, I just wanted my hair to last. Now, do I care if my hair don't look done? Y'all know I don't care. But however, I needed it to look some type of decent. And taking them down, you can go about them so many different ways. Some people use like scissors, like the little beard clippers. I'm sorry, not beard clippers, but like the little beard shears, like the tiny ones. Some people use a comb, some people just rip them. I don't know what I was about to do with that upside down, but you see, I just use a basic eyebrow razor. All I do is I just press down on the rubber band and you can kind of feel it snap a little bit, and then take them apart and I just unravel them. Unlike my last video, I played it a little safe. Last time I was rushing trying to do my hair in 1 hour before church. Of course, me as always, this is another Sunday I'm taking my hair down. The takedown does not take as long as putting them in. I promise y'all it does not. But I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and get completely ready so that way I will not feel rushed in taking my hair down. And I can say I am low-key annoyed because I forgot a twist, and in my very first, but in my on my first locks, I forgot a twist as well. And this time I did not even notice it until I got home from church, and I'm like, so the saints just let me walk around with a whole 2-strand in my head and the rest of my hair wavy, like y'all ain't right for that. But yeah, once I realized that, I took it out and it was all good. Okay, so I flip my hair a lot because one, I'm trying to loosen it up. Depending on the direction that you did your ropes, when you take them out, you can sometimes flip them going the opposite direction, and they will lay actually going the opposite direction. What I'm doing right here, I am just going through with my oil, my herbifuse oil, just oil in my scalp, and then I have this Afuji tomato. I have this Pro leave-in conditioner. I don't use it all the time, but again, I needed my locks to be like loosened up some more. I don't know if that makes sense, but if that makes sense. So this is more like water. Yes, I could have used regular water, but since this was a leave-in, I figure 2 birds, 1 stone. And of course, I gotta play around my hair some more because it looks different when I put my glasses on. But y'all, we have reached the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and check out this praise break because my hair moves, y'all.